Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the theme in Line. Now let us begin. Well, right here in the homepage, under the Services tab, you can see something called as Themes. In case you do not find this, what you guys can do is simply go to Settings. The buttons at the top right, click on it, and this is it. Once you are in this page, under this Shop section, you can once again find the theme. Click on it right now. And this is it, guys. From this section, all you guys have to do is focus on this thing called as My Themes. Click on it, and that's it, guys. From here, you can switch in between the original, black, coney or brown theme. Do note that if you want to buy more themes, simply click on the theme shop right here. And from this page, you can buy any theme of your choice. Well, guys, that's it. That's how you change theme in Line. The process is quite easy. As you can see, I'm changing it to dark mode right now. This is it, guys. This is how you change theme in Line. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.